Good morning, students. Now, class 7. Today, you have to read about the soil color and soil structure. That is, what type of soil is structureful and what type of soil is structureless. Now, soil color. As you know, that soil is formed by the weathering of rocks, and rocks contains the minerals, that is aluminum oxide, calcium oxide, iron oxide, cobalt oxide. Now many minerals are found in the rock, that is, you know that metal or metal compounds found with rock are called minerals, and minerals are the cause for the color of the soil. What type of mineral is present in the soil? It is dependent, and it is responsible for the color of the soil. That is, if there is ferrous oxide, ferric oxide, or ferroferric oxide, then the color of soil will be pale green, pale yellow, red, or brown. Now cobalt oxide, some type of soil may become blue. So now the color of the soil is dependent on the minerals present in it. Understand? Now soil structure. Sandy soil, you have ever you have made the mud ball, that you had felt that sandy soil, and with the help of sandy soil we can't make any structureful twice, because sand particles are not stick with each other, and so it has no any shape. Now sand particles are the structureless. Now clay particles are sticking with each other and give some shape. So it is the soil by which we can make the toy, we can make the pot. You have seen the potter make many types of utensils with the help of clay soil. Now clay soil have the tendency of sticking and tendency to become in any shape. Now there are two properties which make the soil structureful, that is, it is useful for making any type of structure. You see the idol of Bhagwan, that is Durga Mata, or Vishwakarma Bhagwan, or Saraswati Mata. So now idol of that god is made by what? Clay soil. Now clay soil is the soil which has plasticity and cohesion, and due to this property it is able to give any shape. That is, what is plasticity? Plasticity is the property by which any moist soil, that is clay soil, moist soil, change its shape. How? On application of force. And when we withdraw the force, then the shape is retained. You have seen the potters that on wheel, he gave a shape, he gave the force on the pot, and many types of different types of pots are prepared by him. Now he gave the force, and after then he withdraws the force. After withdrawing the force, the shape of that pot is not changed. Understand? So now plasticity is the property that enable the moist soil to change its shape by application of force, and when force is withdrawn the shape is retained. Means what, that shape is not changed after withdrawal of force. Understand? Now cohesion, that is adhering tendency, that is sticking tendency of soil particles. Clay particles the have tendency to stick with each other, and now it gives any shape. It is enabled to make the toy, and it is utilized for preparing the clay pots. Terracotta toys. Terracotta means what? That is exposed in fire also, that utensils of uh, pot, earthen pot, or twice. Now the plasticity and cohesion reflect the consistency and workability of the soil. Understand?